Today we're going to fix a Nintendo Switch OLED that's completely frozen or not responding. This problem can be caused by a system glitch, memory overload, or a buggy app, but don't worry. The solution is simple and we'll jump right into it. So first of all, let's say your OLED model is stuck. No touch response, no buttons work, and even pressuring the power button does nothing. The first thing you should try is a force restart. To do this, press and hold the power button on the top of the console. Keep holding it for 15 full seconds. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 15. Once done, release the button, wait for a second. Now press the power button normally for 3 seconds. If the screen lights up, then all is good. Your OLED just needed a hard reset. And that's it. Just a few button presses and your Nintendo Switch OLED will be unfrozen in no time. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.